My name is Gayatri. I'm the co-founder of Amiga, but before being a co-founder of Amiga, I am a mother to two beautiful children. I've also been a co-founder of an organization, a not-for-profit organization called Learning Curve Foundation, which is working in the space of social emotional well-being for children. And through that work is where I realized that we need parents more involved in their child's life more now than ever. And that is how Amiga, the idea of Amiga came up. So what happens is that today, anything related to parenting, there are only two options. One is you either go to the internet to find an answer to your problem, and when you put out a problem out there on social media, then there is a bunch of generic responses that come, which may or may not be suited to your situation that you're handling. Second is your therapy or counseling, which is honestly quite scary because as a parent, even to imagine that something might be wrong with my child, it's not a nice place to be. It's also expensive, it's time consuming. So we wanted to find a solution which can be backed up by science, which can be easily available, and which will be there for a parent 24/7 anytime. Because if I am handling a crisis situation right now at home, I don't want to be talking to a therapy a week later about it. Therapist, right? I would like to find out right then and there. Now, the quickest solution I have right now is calling my mother or my grandmother or my friend and complaining कि ऐसा हुआ है. But again, what it solves is that once you vent it out, you kind of feel calm about the problem. But actually solutioning that problem, that doesn't happen. And through the mobile app, we wanted to give parents a space where they can quickly look up why is my child behaving this way without any fear that my child will be judged or my behavior will be judged as a parent. So that's why Amiga came as a mobile app. So we see parenting is a very emotional topic, right? And I understand. So what we really wanted is that we really wanted parents to have a companion who is human-like when he's conversing with the parents. So when we were exploring of options, we looked at various options. It was very easy to develop because we are not technologically sound people. We are more on the knowledge part of it, technology part, but thoda sa challenge hai. So when we were, of course, searching more about it, we came across Kommunicate, and when we tried it out, even for us, we felt it very easy to build. It was not complex, so we could understand that this is how you could एक intent होता है, एक entity होता है. We were able to make those connects and easily build it up, which is why Kommunicate was our preferred option than any other channels. The chatbot is acting like a big funnel for us. So there are a lot of people who are coming to experience the chat feature, and they're coming recurrently to try out various use cases, which is a good thing. So, and from there on, if they are not satisfied with the response that they are getting, and they would like to have get a more deeper understanding on certain behaviors or certain use cases, then they move on to the expert feature that's there on the app. Amiga has three key features, which is Ask Amiga, which is our chat feature, and Connect and Share, which is our learning platform. Both are free for parents to use, but when it comes to talking to our experts, if they are booking a session, that is a paid feature. Yeah, I think the technology is pretty much going to overtake the world, pretty much. See, everything is becoming technology, right from booking appointments with doctors to anything and everything you look out right now, there is a technological solution for it. But where I see the future of technology, I mean, at least AI in my head going is, it would be both exciting and scary if AI becomes, how do I put it? AI becomes more human-like with feelings, empathetic. But it is both exciting because when we created Amiga, we really wanted. If you look at our chat conversations, they're very human-like. They're very personal. But yet it is AI. It's not human. And if AI becomes that good, which I really think that it will go that way. The future of AI really lies, and it's very much a possibility given the way it is right now. Uh, that's the way I see it. AI can very much solve this problem. Very much. That is where Amiga, if you look at it, Amiga, when you come with a problem to Amiga, the Amiga will ask a few questions to actually understand what you are doing, not just from a child. So when it asks you, okay, when you say that I have this problem, Amiga will ask, since when are you seeing this problem? How do you respond when you see such a problem? What is your reaction? And then Amiga gives some strategies to understand, okay, if you see this problem, you need to make these changes in yourself first, and these are few things that you can do with your child to control that behavior. This is what I'm trying to tell you, that that AI can become that smart to understand and give you responses as much as close to as a human can.